Hi guys, and welcome to another pack opening on my channel. Today we are opening up the Hidden Fates Pin Collection Mew version, and hopefully I'll be able to open up a Mewtwo soon as well. So let's just open this bad boy up. So in here we get, camera's gone. In here we get 3 packs, as well as the Mew promo card and the pin. So obviously we are very much here to get some packs. Let's see what we can get in these. But here we go. Let's just open it up. Beautiful. So obviously there we have the Mew promo card. The Mew pin. And then obviously behind the Mew promo card is a online code. So we're just going to quickly stick the Mew card into a sleeve. At some point I think I will do a PSA submission from my cards, and that will probably get sent away through Graded Gem. You guys have probably heard of them. So we have 3 packs. We'll do the Charizard one last, and we'll do the Mewtwo one first, because obviously we want a Charizard. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't guess. I wouldn't have guessed Psychic though. So, Chansey, Giovanni's Exile. I need that. Good. Proxputed Gem, Ekans, Paras, Charmander, Slowpoke, Psyduck. Ooh! Secret Rare Curlier and Golem. Fantastic. Let's sleeve up Curlier. Sleeve this one up. Fantastic. Not a bad first pack. That nice secret rare Courier. Obviously we do want to get some of the kind of GX level Pokemon. Okay, and fire. Ah, fighting. Misty's Determination, Scyther, Jinx, Magikarp, Staryu, Voltorb, Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Reverse Hollow Jigglypuff, and Hollow Reese and Jesse and James. Once again, nice close-up of those two. There we go. Sleeve them up. I think that's the 3rd Hollow Jesse and James I've got now. So yeah, that is a very popular card for me to get. And Jigglypuff followed by Reverse Hollow Jigglypuff. But come on, let's get a absolutely beautiful card in this pack. Eevee, but I have that Eevee. I need the other Eevee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Dark. Jinx, Graveler, Farfetch'd, Eevee, Caterpie, Paras, Ekans, Psyduck. Oh, nice Fire Energy, and Pinsir GX. Fantastic, that's a new card for the collection. Let's quickly sleeve him up. Sleeve that one up. Fantastic. Lovely card. And then I will quickly sleeve up the reverse holo energy as well. Lovely. So there we go, those are the pulls we got today. These are the two good ones from the packs. Pinsir GX and Kirlia. That nice secret rare. Fantastic card. And then obviously Pinsir as well. Fantastic. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. So that's what we got today. Looking fine there. Make sure you check out the other pack openings I've done on my channel, and hopefully we will do the Mewtwo pin collection as well. So I'll have both pins and both promo cards. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Matt DC. Bye.